Introducing FinalPress. It directly brews coffee in your mug to eliminate any mess. You'll no longer need complicated and bulky coffee brewing equipments that take forever to brew and results in messy cleanups. After 4 years of designing and testing, we have perfected a new brewing system that makes great tasting coffee with minimal time and effort. Our patent-pending spring plunger mechanism lets you control the density of your coffee and unlocks hidden flavors. Using FinalPress is so simple. First, add your favorite coffee to our micron filter and fill it with hot water and stir FinalPress for 10 to 30 seconds, depending on any strength you prefer, from very light and delicate to full-bodied. After leaving it in the cup for a couple of minutes, simply press the plunger for multiple times to maximize the release of rich flavor. Super easy to clean dry, leftover coffee grounds. FinalPress uses no paper filters or capsules, so you'll be helping the environment and keeping your coffee free from chemicals. With its spring-powered collapsing mechanism, FinalPress fits perfectly in your bag. Carry it with you and brew great coffee wherever you are. FinalPress will pay for itself in less than a week while saving you time and money on overpriced coffee, and it will last for a lifetime. Tea lovers, we didn't forget about you. Yes, with FinalPress, you can easily brew loose tea leaves anywhere in seconds. You'll no longer need tea bags that often contain harmful chemicals and plastics. But wait, there is more. Each reward comes with a mason jar lid for making cold brew. Our system works by brewing coffee grounds in cold water, and Micron Filter preserves perfectly balanced, smooth flavors by removing bitter oil and fatty acids. Whether you are making yourself a perfect cup of hot or iced drink, creativity with FinalPress is endless. Discover the joy of becoming your own barista and be a part of this revolution by backing us today on Kickstarter.